When your vehicle relies on precise temperature control, even a secondary component like an auxiliary water pump plays a critical role. This Bosch auxiliary electric water pump is engineered to deliver consistent and smooth coolant circulation, helping your cooling system perform efficiently in all driving conditions, from stop-and-go traffic to extended idling with the air conditioning or heater running. Designed and manufactured to rigorous OEM quality standards, this pump matches original equipment fit, form, and function for a truly trouble-free installation. Vehicle-specific engineering ensures it integrates seamlessly with your cooling system, restoring proper coolant flow exactly as intended by the manufacturer. Once installed, it operates quietly and efficiently, improving overall thermal management without adding strain to the system. The pump features high-quality electromagnets and intelligent circuitry that allow it to work in harmony with the vehicle's electronic controls. A sealed pump chamber protects sensitive electronic components from coolant exposure, heat, and vibration, contributing to long-lasting and reliable operation. Lightweight construction makes handling and installation easier, even in tighter engine bay spaces. Consistent coolant delivery is key to preventing overheating and ensuring comfort systems function correctly. This auxiliary pump provides maximum circulation for cooling efficiency, especially in situations where engine speed is low but cooling demand is high. It helps stabilize temperatures and supports proper operation of front and rear climate systems. Every unit undergoes end-of-line functional and leak testing before leaving the factory, ensuring dependable performance right out of the box. The pump is guaranteed against defects in materials or workmanship, offering added peace of mind for both technicians and DIY installers. Backed by decades of original equipment supplier experience, Bosch is trusted worldwide for advanced automotive engineering and durability. If you are experiencing unusual coolant behavior or reduced heating and cooling performance, replacing a worn auxiliary pump can be a fast and effective solution. Check the link in the video description to confirm compatibility with your vehicle and purchase today, and subscribe to the channel to discover more high-quality automotive parts that keep your vehicle running cool, quiet, and reliable.